Hello friends, welcome back to Future Genius. So friends, in today's lecture, we'll discuss about the loop control structure. This is the most important topic you should know by if you are learning the programming languages. So looping is the ability to perform a set of instructions repeatedly until the given condition is being satisfied or a true. It provide code reusability, like we can reuse our code with the help of loop. Using loop, we do not need to write the same code again and again. Using loops, we can traverse over the element of a data structure like a array, linked list. This is the topic of data structure. So there are three types of loop available, that is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. My personally favorite is a for loop. So first we'll discuss about the for loop here. So there is a particular syntax available, that is for is a keyword and then there is a brackets, and just make sure you can't write semicolon after the for loop. Okay. So first statement is initialization, like you can enter values like this, and then condition like if I is less than equals to 10, and then increment decrement like I plus plus, I minus minus. You need to enter these option in a particular for loop. Okay, and after that there is a particular code here. So we'll discuss the example here. So this is an example of printing a particular table of a given number. Okay, so void main, this is a preprocessor. There are two variable, and the both variables type is an integer. So I'm entering here I and j. Now the printf statement says that enter a number, and with the help of scanf I am entering the value in I only. Suppose I am entering here 5. Okay, and after that for j is equals to 1, like I am entering the data related to j in a for loop. Okay, so I'm entering j is equals to 1, so I'm entering here j is equals to 1, and j is less than equals to 10. This statement is saying that j is equals to 1. Okay, I'm satisfied with this. Okay, and after that, is j is less than equals to 10? Yes, definitely, because the value of j is 1. So if this condition is satisfied, then you have to enter in this for loop. This statement will check later. Okay. If the condition statement is satisfied in a for loop, then you have to enter in the for loop. Now it will print the value I into j. The value of I is 5 and the value of j is 1. So it will print 5 here. Now it will goes to like this, like looping is a cycle. So it will increment the value of j with the help of j plus plus operator. Now it will increment the value of j by 2 here. Now it will check the condition again here. If 2 is less than equals to 10, yes, condition is true. Now it will comes under in a for loop, and now the value of I is same as it is, and this time the value of j is 2 here, then it will print as output 10 here. Again it will check the first it will increment and then check the condition. Now this time it will again checking the condition. Is 3 is less than, yes, condition is true. This for loop work until this condition will goes false. Like this condition will false when the value of j is 11. In that case, this will print you it will the for loop will directly exit from this condition. So for this purpose, you need to check the condition until 10, and after 11, you will get that this condition will false, and it will move the cursor directly here. So it will print up to 50. That means up to 5 into 10, it will give you output. So you must know about this, that how the for loop is working. Like first it will execute the initialization, and then condition, then in printf, then in increment, then again condition, and then loop work like this. Okay. So this is all about for loop. And while loop says that there is only one like you can enter condition here. Rest initialization and increment decrement we need to enter accordingly. Okay, so directly we'll start the program. This is a program, same program, to printing a value of a given number, printing a value of printing a table of a given number. So in the for loop, in while entering the data in a for loop, we have entered like this: j is equals to 1. But in this while loop, we have to enter j is equals to 1 while declaring a particular variable. So this is the main difference in for and while. And if you want to like the condition, the for loop has condition like this, and then j plus plus. So this condition comes under here. And after that, j plus plus, and this is like in for loop, this is executing after the printing statement. So I am entering the j plus plus after the printf statement. So the rest program is same. I'll show you the execution. There is a two variable I and j. The value of I is 5 and the value of j is 1, and the value of I am putting 5 here, and it will check the condition. If 1 is equals to 10, yes, condition is true, then it will print 5 into 1, that is 5 here, and then increment the value of j by 1 to 2. Okay, now it will check the condition. 2 is less than equals to 10. Yes, condition is true. 5 into 2, that is 10. And again, it will increment the value of j, that is 3 now. Again, like in this way, it will work. Okay. And after that, do while. Do while is like we can say that exit control loop. Like this do while loop check the condition while exiting the particular loop. Okay, so do statement of code and then while condition. Rest program will same, like j is 1. I have initialized here, enter a particular number, the value of I, suppose value of I entering 5 and value of j. Now do first, it will print the output 5 into 1, that is 5. Now it will increment, that is 2, and now it will check the condition. If 2 is less than equals to 10, yes, it will directly goes like this. Okay, so in this way, do while loop will work. So do while loop is a exit control loop, and while and for loop is a, or we can say that while loop is a entry control loop. Okay, so this is all about looping. Thank you.